Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Delight Amakri, your girl, and you're welcome to Delight Square. I am sure you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video what this video is about. I have always wondered how a fried banana is going to taste like. I don't know if it's going to be like plantain, and so I just decided that I should fry banana, and I'm going to take you guys along. So if you're on the same table with me, you want to know how a fried banana is going to turn out. Without further ado, let's get started. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up here, and leave a comment in the comment section. This is the banana we're going to be frying. I'm not going to be frying all because I don't know how it's going to turn out, and we'll just start with half of this banana. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to be peeling the banana right away. At this point, we are going to be salting the banana just like the way you salt your plantain. This is already 10 minutes now and it's still frying. Guys, this is taking forever to fry. I'm just going to see how it is. I feel like it's getting soggy. It's soaking up oil. Let's just see how it is. Wow, it's so soft. Very, very different from plantain. The color is turning out like plantains. You can see this yellow color. Wow. I feel so fulfilled. This is one of the stuff that has been on my bucket list, and I'm glad to say I'll cancel it out today. I've always wanted to fry bananas, and I'm glad today I'm doing it. Time for me to bring out the bananas from the oil. I'll taste it and give my review. So guys, this is the time for me to taste the bananas. I'm done frying it, and it actually looks like plantain. Like, you can't even tell the difference at this point. So let's start tasting. Guys, honestly, it's not bad, but this is not something I will opt for on a normal day. Like, I love my plantains, but it's not bad actually. If you're in a place where you can't get plantains, you can actually opt for bananas. Yes, it's a very good substitute for plantain. So guys, I'm going to be giving the differences between banana and plantains. You know, normally when you're frying plantain, it takes like 3 to 5 minutes. It took me roughly about 20 minutes to be done frying just a set of banana. Like, it took time. So if you want to hurry, maybe you're hurrying to somewhere and you want to quickly fix up something to eat, please do not opt for bananas. Another thing I noticed while frying the banana was that it soaks up a lot of oil. It's just like, you know, when plantain is very ripe, like really, really ripe plantains, that's the way bananas are. They soak up lots of oil. So that's just a no-no for me. And another thing is, it's a little bit sweeter than plantains. Bananas are really soft, like they are way softer than plantains, especially when you're trying to flip it while frying. It's just as if it's going to break. But when you're frying plantains, it still has the firmness, and it's like the firmness is still there. So that's another difference between the plantain and the banana. So guys, you have come to the end of this video, and if you're on the same table with me, like you wanted to know how banana will turn out after you fry them, you finally seen it in this video, and we fried banana. Yay! So thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and see you again in my next video. Bye guys.